In the energy space, taking a look at the August WTI crude oil futures contract, which is on a 3-day streak right now. WTI crude is up 3 consecutive sessions, and in those 3 sessions, crude is up a little bit more than 7% from the recent low close and almost 10% from the June 22nd lows. On the low today, 109.62 was actually a gap higher by 5 cents versus the settlement of 109.57 that we had yesterday. We retook the 110, 111, and 112 levels today on the high, 112.22, up 2.42%, but we didn't maintain it, closing up about 1.8% at about 111.54 or so. Now, WTI crude is working on an up week, and although it's early, we've already exceeded last week's high price on a closing basis today. So it's a pretty strong move, at least so far. Now, China restrictions are being lifted slowly, and the travel ban is being partially lifted. It's part of the reason for some of the bid we got today. And when I say partially lifted, I definitely mean baby steps. One of the things the Chinese government said it would change is it's going to reduce COVID-related mandatory quarantines on internationally arriving travelers to 7 days from the previous 14 to 21 days. So a very mild lifting, but did give some incentive, some hope that China was going to join the world stage again in terms of travel. Now, also the G7 comments that we got, the ones that were kind of covert, were captured by reporters, and some of those comments captured talked about the inability of the UAE and Saudi Arabia to actually be able to produce more. So that also helped the bid today. So some of those comments were captured by reporters and broadcast on various news media outlets, and that hit the market, also adding to the bid that we got today in WTI crude.